O ke au I ka huli vela ka unua. O ke au I ka huli lole kanani. O ke au I kuka I atala.
Waikea, the Sky Father and father of the Hawaiian Islands, and a woman named Ho'ohoku Okalani gave birth to a stillborn child. The woman cried over their child's grave every day. One day, from the product of her tears, a shoot appeared on the grave and became the first kalo plant. The parents called their kalo baby Haloa Naka Lauka Paluli. The woman's second child, Haloa, was a healthy baby boy. He was an important child, for he was the first Hawaiian. Since ancient Hawaiian times, Kalo is considered the older sibling of native Hawaiians. It is said that if you take care of your older siblings and your mother, they will nurture and take care of you.
Recently, kalo production has become more and more challenging for traditional farmers. For example, in Punalu'u, water is being taken away from traditional farmers and water delivery prices are going up. This means that traditional farmers are now forced to pay more to keep their crops alive. In Pearl Harbor, water pollution has gone up, and Taro, Lo'i, and fish pond complexes have been occupied or destroyed by military activity. This type of action is happening on almost all islands. If this is allowed to continue, traditional Hawaiian farming techniques will become extinct. GMOs are genetically modified organisms that have been genetically engineered with DNA from bacteria, viruses, or other plants and animals. University of Hawaii initially started production of genetically modified kalo in 2002, patenting 3 different types of kalo. This made the public upset since there was no notification or no voter approval process. This led to many protests, phone calls, and letters sent. Genetically modified kalo is controversial to many because it undermines the genetic integrity of taro, sacred to the Hawaiian people, threatens the taro market and livelihood of taro farmers, threatens the biodiversity of the taro plant, could cause new, unexpected problems in taro cultivation, could contaminate traditional varieties of taro, and overlooks the wealth of traditional knowledge about growing taro that has been passed down through generation after generation. The kalo plant is seen by Hawaiians as equivalent in importance to a human life, as noted in Kumulipo, the legend behind kalo. With patents on new strains of kalo, University of Hawaii also claimed ownership over the creation of the new strain of plant. Since it has such a high cultural significance, it is hard to be seen as a claimed property. By genetically modifying the kalo plant, we are effectively cutting off all genetic ties to Hawaiian ancestry. By doing this, the Hawaiian people will no longer be nurtured by and connected to their ancestors. Hawaiian culture has been under attack for generations, and genetically modifying kalo is just another way of destroying the Hawaiian lifestyle. Please support our cause to stop genetically modifying the Hawaiian ancestors. Thank you.
O ke au makali I ka po, o ka vale vale ho o kumu honua ia, o ke kumu o ka lipo I lipo ai, o ke kumu o ka po I po ai, o ka lipo lipo, o ka lipo lipo, o ka lipo o ka la.